Starting Saturday, people in Montana can dial 988 to get connected to a local crisis center. Advocates say it's going to be a big day.
It's a huge step forward for us and for all the families that we serve, just to know that help is that much closer.
On Tuesday, Governor Greg Gianforte and other leaders from around Montana gathered in Helena, encouraging people to spread the word about the new number.
I'm filled with optimism about the promise of this new initiative. To any Montanan that may be struggling today, know that you are not alone. There are folks who are ready to help, and you can find them by calling 988.
Gianforte said the state will use a $400,000 grant to help support staffing at the 3 Montana call centers that take Lifeline calls. The goal is to make sure they can continue to handle at least 90% of the calls in-state after 988 launches. Matt Kuntz, executive director of NAMI Montana, says a big part of their work is helping people know what to do when someone's in crisis.
And to have a number that people can just know and memorize and have it be on the tip of their tongue for when they need it is huge.
Matt Taylor with the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline hopes 988 will become as universal as 911.
It's more than just being an easy number to remember. It's also about providing more equitable services across the nation and in Montana. It's about putting mental health crisis services at the same level of accessibility as our emergency medical services and law enforcement.
During Tuesday's event, leaders also unveiled a series of posters promoting 988, designed by art students at Montana State University.
What they strived for was to use their talents. They created powerful visual artwork. In an attempt to bring more awareness, they created artwork with messages of hope and reassurance.
Leaders say Montana has had one of the best rates in the country of handling Lifeline calls within the state. That makes them optimistic that the call centers in this state will be ready to handle it if they see any jump in calls due to 988. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.